In my last video, I showed you how to take a YouTube video, turn it into a blog post, and create hundreds of social media posts. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I do that exact same thing and how you can create a video, turn it into a newsletter, automate it, send it out to your list, and save you time. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. I'm going to share my screen, give you the prompt so you can see exactly how you can take a transcription, even if it's not your own secret, and turn it into a newsletter so you can send it to your audience, be consistent, save you time, and follow up with your leads. And if you're new to my channel, comment new down below. Somebody from my team will send you my AI prompt that I'm going to show in this video so you can get that going today. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so step number one, we want to head over to YouTube, and I recommend taking one of your YouTube videos and copying that transcription there. Now you can always use other YouTube videos to do this, but I always recommend it come from your voice. And if you haven't started making YouTube videos, you should. Next is you're going to go grab my prompt and you're going to go ahead and copy this exact prompt and you're going to paste it into ChatGPT. A few things. I want you to copy this, go to File, hit Make a Copy, and then that will make a copy for you. Go ahead and put your name in here and make yourself a copy. Don't steal mine because your name's not Brad and you haven't done this stuff yet. So what I want you to do is switch out the name, switch out your company, switch out the years, and switch out all your accomplishments here. That will give ChatGPT more context into how to give you the best prompt. So from here, copy this transcription, go throw it in ChatGPT, and now you've got a perfect prompt. All you have to do next, go back to YouTube, copy your transcription, go to the bottom, make sure you hit that and paste. And all of a sudden you have an AI written newsletter from the words that you said out of your mouth. It's not going to be flagged for AI plagiarism because you're the one that said it. Super useful. Next is hopefully you have a CRM and an email marketing software. If not, what I use is Go High Level. I'll make sure I paste my affiliate link down below, but I have hundreds and hundreds of newsletters in there. And if you join my newsletter, you'll get my newsletter for the next 3 years minimum. And obviously I'm going to keep adding to that. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go name the date. I'm going to put my name because that's who it's from, put my email. And then what I'm going to do is grab that subject line from ChatGPT or my video, and I'm going to paste that in there. Go ahead and copy that, throw it in here, and there you go. Now you have your subject line. Now for me personally, I make a few more edits here to make it sound like it's coming from me and to make sure that people want to open that. So I really like adding stats, like I put the number 3 in there and triple there. So in the subject line, I recommend using stats or insights that really would grab someone's attention. All right, from there you have your full newsletter here. So you can see that I want them to give me an automation strategy, a marketing insight, and a follow-up pack, and then some links to check out the full thing. As you can see, I've got my description, my intro, this is what we're going to talk about, my automation strategy, my marketing insight, and my follow-up automation hack, followed by a few more steps. Read the full guide or watch the full video here. Simple as that. Now, sometimes it's going to come out and it's just not going to give you enough information. So you can go ahead and say, please expand on each point and provide more education. That's what I would put in there. I like providing a ton of education and just helping you out so you can learn from me and go try to do it on your own. So now it's going to come back, give me a better email newsletter that I can copy in, that's going to give you more information, more education, and help you even more. So from there, keep doing it. I want you to schedule these out. Make sure you're scheduled out about a month in advance. I recommend doing it once a week or once a month, but the goal is to be consistent so your audience knows when you're sending that newsletter. And please, please, please use transcriptions that you've said. If you're not comfortable making a video, just record something on your audio on your phone. That's going to come off like it's totally originally from you. Your audience will be able to tell, but bonus points if you can make that YouTube video. So if you want this full AI prompt and my other ones that I use in my other videos, comment new down below. Like I said before, someone from my team will send you the link to get all these prompts and all these guides that we give away. And if you're new to my channel, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. And if you want to learn more about marketing, automation, sending these follow-ups, check out this playlist here, and I'll just break down exactly how to automate your business online. One last thing, here's another video showing you how to do the same thing, but using it on your blog and your social media posts. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next video.